So what can we expect at Met Gala based on this story? The dress code for Met Gala this year is a very interesting topic. It's called The Garden of the Time. It is based on a short story by British writer J.T. Ballard. What's the story and why is it relevant to Met? If you want to find out, stick to this video. The Garden of the Time is a story about a special garden. There's a happy couple who lives there enjoying the peacefulness of their garden. But one day, trouble comes in. There's a group of people outside the garden who want to come and ruin everything. Now the couple in the garden gets worried. The husband then starts picking up the magical flowers from the gardens. Each time he cuts a flower, time reverses and the threatening mob recedes into the hills. But as the flowers get over, eventually the mob breaks into the garden, destroying everything in the couple's path. The couple tries to fight back, but they end up turning into stone statues. Although the interpretation on how the story ends could be different for everybody, the central idea remains the same, which simply put is time never stops and change is inevitable. So what can we expect at Met Gala based on this story? Well, roses and florals are likely to be a default, but there could be deeper interpretation. Designers could showcase archival pieces and historical fashion, creative interpretations both for the reversal of time and our powerlessness in the face of it. Themes of power, decay, nostalgia, and the illusion of control could be seen. Corsets, drapery, and hopefully some vintage gowns. Let me know in the comments below, how do you think people will dress at the Met this year?